Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
In this video, we are going to see how to play any PlayStation games in PC. So, I take it as WWE, Here Comes the Pain as example. So, now let me get into the content. We all have played many of PlayStation games in PlayStations, but in this video, I am going to show you how to play it at home. For this, you have needed 3 files. The first file is BIOS, second is PCSX2, and that is application. Next, you have to download a ISO file of the game from the website. I have given the link in description. You can download it from there. So first, you have to install that PCSX2 application. So after the completion of installation, click on the close button and navigate to your desktop. Now you can see an icon. Click on it and open it. First, you have to select the default language. I am selecting as English. So next, if you have already installed this app, it will ask for import or override. So don't change these settings. Click on next. Here you can see 4 list. If you do not see this, or uncheck on use default settings and click on browse. In this step, you have to select your BIOS file. So I am navigating to the folder in which I has kept the BIOS. After selection, you could see this. If not, refresh the list and select USA. After selection, you could see the application starts running. This is just an emulator. We have to connect the emulator with the game. For that, click on C DVD and choose ISO selector and choose the file that you have downloaded as ISO file game. Click on open button. So now you have to click either on run file, fast or full. So now the game is started to run. You can enjoy this game.
THQ.
So to escape from the game, click on escape button. If you was uncomfortable with your control settings, you can control it in configuration menu and control pad. So now I am also instructing you can use either the keyboard of computer or else you can use the gamepad by connecting with the computer. To change the keypad settings, you can choose on control pad, or you could see that there is not the full screen appeared when I opened the game. To make it as full screen, click on configuration and then video menu and click on plugin settings. Now in aspect ratio, you have to select as widescreen instead of standard screen and click on apply and resume the game. So now we could experience the best way of playing the game as we experience in PlayStations. In this game, they have provided some of the best effects, and also you could download the any type of file of game from the website link that has given below. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, learn the new planet, and also share this to your friends. If you have any doubt, ask it in comment section. Meet you later on next video.
Do you want to travel with us for many light years? Then subscribe now.